not looking. Brownie?
Brownie? Can't see you, Brownie.
Look out.
Well, look and hang on. And she can't see you.
Brownie!
No, stay with Mum. Stay with Mum. Oh, look at the eyes.
It's okay, darling.
Shame you can't hear it.
Are you sure that's a dog? Because I've never seen a dog like that. A dog it's got eyes like that.
That's it, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Brownie! No, Brownie, look.
Come on, give me some. Come on, Brownie. Come on, give me some. Come on, give me some.
Brownie!
Come on.
No, you're distressing
Come
her.
on. Come on, give me some YouTube, Queen.
Brownie!
Come on, Brownie. Come on. What do you got?
YouTube.
What do you got?
Yay!
What do you got?
You're going to be on the net, one.
Come on, give me some.
On the net.
Come on. Yeah, now we're going. Come on. Come on.
Brownie. Tongue's what? What should... Oh, can I put her down for a second so she's not so distressed? It's alright, darling.
She's getting distressed.
Yeah. I think. Or a bottle. Brownie!
What, are you going to give her a bowl?
There you go, smiling. Nicely. Ah.
You're asking for trouble.
Brownie!
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 Oh,
What's her bite
easy shaking, mate. She's
She's upset
ready.
today.
Yeah, look out.
Brownie!
Her nose is right out of place.
But she doesn't go for Jen, does she?
Here.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah,
Does she?
Oh, massive scars. She ripped a flap out of there that I had to get stitched. The vein was pulsating up out of my hands.
Brownie! Here. Here, do you want some?
She's just got a bit of
You need
psychological
volume on that
problem.
too, Joe.
Comes back at her.
Poor Brownie.
If I see Brownie, I can't get YouTube at work. They've taken the tape thing off. Come on, extra big smile. Extra big smile?
Come on, point your finger.
Oh. Can I get a clean teeth? Yeah, we got to get an anesthetic. Special.
Go, Brownie.
Special. Oh, I'll have to cut that one. And I rolled over, and she ripped two friggin' eye teeth straight in my ass. I bled for about 3 days. I had to put 2 band-aids on my ass.
Olive. Brownie. Look how cute you are. Oh, no. What is it about the finger?
You know what it was? Chris Cox went, I like that little spot there. I like that little spot there. And used to poke her in the head, in between the eyes when she was a baby. So you can point at her, and she goes, no. Coxie did that.
She must have been a little nuts to start with, though.
Yeah.
Tonight,
You're going to cut that film? Cut me out, Joe.
yeah.
Now, go touch the palace. No, you touch the palace. Hang on.
That's her pal.
Go on, you give the poor little thing a heart attack, Jen.
Hope she doesn't shoot out at me. Come on, darling. Pass rocks. Stop it. I have to calm her down. Okay.
No way.
She needs medicated. She needs to be medicated.
It's wonderful that
Her brain mind must be, you know.
That's
what I mean.
That is medicated. That is meditated.
Yeah, well, that's what I mean. Her mind must be.
frantic. Poor little thing. Oh, I think he's cute.
She's nice looking.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
that's a little
she
dog.
is.
Yeah.
She is beautiful.
She's